All right, so we just completed the importation or injection of CSV file and an Excel file. Now, the next is to go in and import data from a database, and we will start with a MySQL database. I will go in there and open my workbench. Yeah, that's workbench. So that you will understand this is the interface of the workbench. And what I have is a local instance. And you can see here local host colon 3306. That is my server. And the user is root. So let's go in and try to get data from this database. Now, to get data, we'll come to get data, and we notice that we can't find MySQL database here. So, but we can still find SQL Server. Now, to get it, you need to go to more. When we come here, you can go down here and look for it. You can come in here and search MySQL and it will show. Or in case you don't want that, and when it shows, you notice that you have database here also showing you the category it belongs to. But in case you want to find anything you're looking for, notice we have all the different categories. The fastest way to do it is to search for it here. And the next way is to go to the category it belongs if you know it. I already know that I am looking for a database and that should be in a database category. So I'll come here and you notice we have MySQL. Either way that works for you, go for it. So I'll click on it and I'll click on connect and wait for it. It's asking for server and database. I already know my database, and you should also know your database when the connection is sent to you. So I already know my server and I showed it to you here. This is my server, which is localhost. Normally in a live data, the server link will be shared with you and you will use it. So this time around, we are working with a local data set, and we local data set means it's just sitting in your computer. So we're going to work with this, and that's local hosts. So type it here, local host. Now have the colon, not semicolon, colon 3306. That is the port number. And this will also be supplied to you by the company you're working for. They will send that to you. So let's move on. My database is employees, and I will move on. Now, if we click on advanced, I don't have much here. I can also write a query. Instead of going to the database, this query will get me the data out. I don't need to move straight to the database. When I have given it all the information I needed, I can just put in the query here. But we're not doing that. We want to go straight to the database and get all the table. Understand that if I have to put the query here, then I don't need to go and pick any table because my code will do the magic for me. But if I want to pick all the tables I need and bring all the data in, then I will have to do it manually. So I will click OK and it will pop up this. Now it popped up this because I had already imputed my password. The window it would have given to you is the username and the password. And my username is root and the password is already in my head. I already know it. Now, the thing here is the company will give you your username and will give you the password, or the user and give you the password. So now these are the tables in my employee table. And when I click on one of them, you will see, and this is a popular data set online known as employees database. So these are the data, and I can pick as many as I want. I can pick all of them or a few of them. But this time around, let's just pick just two for the sake of this analysis. Let's pick the salary and let's pick the employees, and that's enough. And again, we are only loading. We are not doing any transformation this time. So we will load and we'll wait for it to load. The salary data is a lot, that should be about 900,000. And so we just wait for it to load. The employees are just 300,000. See, 967,333. It's loading, and when it's loaded, when it's done loading, you will see it in the data pan. So let's wait for it to finish loading. It's much more than the other data set. All right, so we are happy it's done. And if you click on data here, you'll see the employees. That's it. Employees, employee, and employee's salary. If you go to data pan and click on it, you will see them. You see the size of the data, 300,000 for the employees, and the other one is 967,333. And that is it about connecting data from MySQL. And it's so simple and straightforward. There's nothing much to it. And remember, guys, if you are getting value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and click on the bell icon so that you will be the first to know whenever I load new data sets. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this amazing channel. Let's grow this channel. All right.